Roofers, get a massive flow of leads via Facebook for your business. Have you ever wanted to know how to generate a consistent flow of appointments for your business inexpensively, consistently? It's not hard to do. I was a contractor myself for a number of years. We're going to show you next in this video. My partner's going to take over. He's going to show you start to finish exactly how we create thousands of appointments for our roofing customers all over the country. Check it out.
All right. So now I want to show you how you can use Facebook ads to generate leads and appointments. With Facebook ads done right for roofing, you can bring in consistent leads and sales. Now, we have a free strategy call where we show you exactly how this works and how it can work for your roofing business. We have helped our clients generate over 7 figures in sales using Facebook ads for roofing leads and appointments. If you click the link right here in the bottom left of the screen at any time, you'll go directly to set up a time for your strategy call right here on this page. But I want to show you how well this works. Let me quickly walk you through some results, how ads look, and what goes into creating a winning Facebook strategy. So what you're seeing right here, this is a Facebook dashboard for one of our clients. And you can see right away looking at the bottom that this is 265 leads that went directly to them, costing them about $10.11 each. This is using Facebook ads and also Instagram ads, because Instagram ads are built into the dashboard of Facebook. So what you see here is the different ads that we've run. Of course, what we do is we have to change out ads every now and then because they end up getting fatigued. So you have to be, we stay on top of this. You have to be on top of this. If you're going to do run ads, you got to have ads that change regularly, because obviously people have seen it over and over again and they stop looking at it. So we're constantly working to change this. Here's just another example. Again, you can see all the different ads that we've run here over a short period of time. You can see even at the top one here, we're looking at 51 leads at $24 per lead. And the next one down, it's 39 leads at $18.19 a lead. So it's not just retail roofs that you can do. You can also use it for deductible roofs or storm damage roofs. Now, just a little bit more example here, just to kind of give you some proof of how this works. You can see here the top one, you saw this one earlier, 265 leads, $10.11 a lead. 21 leads, $13.53 a lead. 10 leads, $16.98 a lead. Facebook ads can work to generate leads and appointments for your roofing business, just like this, when done correctly. Now, not only is it important to set it up right in the dashboard to get it working right and learning about how all this works, who to target, how to set up the ads, but also you need ads that are designed well, that grab attention. Let me just give you an example here of a couple of them here. You can see we do video ads like this and they really grab attention. As you can tell right away, looking at this one, how well this one grabs attention. So that's just one of the examples here. And you can see all the different things that they offer with it. Just show you the one beside it over here. Again, this is another one. And you can see how well these are designed and how they can really grab attention for people that are scrolling through Facebook. Grab them right away, let them know what you're offering, get them into a lead for you so that you can book an appointment. And so here, what we do, one of the ways that you can, after somebody clicks on the ad, is that you can send them to a lead gen form built right into Facebook. This is a really powerful feature that Facebook has. But you have to also do this correctly and set it up correctly with a proper image above. It has to be designed nicely so that there's consistency from the ad to the lead form. And then what happens after the lead form? If you don't have any kind of system after somebody fills out the lead form, it sits in a spreadsheet until you download it. You need to have a way to take that automatically and take that lead that just came in and have it sent to you. One of the things that we do that works very well to turn these leads into appointments is get them contacted, the lead contacted immediately with a text message that comes directly from this lead. So it goes directly to them and they're able to respond on an automated system. So if you're in the middle of putting on a roof, this is all going to be taken care of for you in the background. You need to have this or else you're going to possibly lose leads and appointments. So, with this system, we've helped our clients generate over 7 figures, and we can do the same for you.
So now you can see how inexpensively and consistently you can create Facebook appointments for your roofing business anywhere that you are in the country, reach out to us today. Click the button below. What will happen is it'll set up an appointment for one of our guys to chat with you. It's free, it's simple, it's easy. We'll drill down exactly to your area and we'll pull up exact information about your potential customers, the type of leads that you would be getting, exactly how it would work, and we can drill down a little bit more. It's totally free. Click the button right now. Reach out to us today. We look forward to talking to you. Thank you.